how to reset your iPad password using a computer. So if you've forgotten the passcode to your iPad or you're locked out of your device, I'm going to show you how to go and reset and recover your iPad. Now the first thing you need to do is come over to your computer like this, and this will work on both Windows and also Mac computers. You can then open up your start menu and you'll need to go and open up the iTunes app. Now, if you don't already have this installed onto your computer, you can go and download it completely for free. Once you've done this, grab a USB-C cable, and then you need to plug one end into your computer and the other end into your iPad. You then need to make sure your iPad is turned on like this. Now, what we need to do is quickly press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then you need to hold the lock screen button on the top right-hand side of the iPad. Now continue to hold this button down until your iPad goes black. Even when the iPad screen is black, continue to hold this button down. And after about 5 more seconds, you should see the Apple logo appear. That's when you can go in, release this power button. Now you should see this recovery page on your iPad, and then what we can do is come over to iTunes. Now as long as your iPad is connected, you're going to see this message pop up. So you see it will say there is a problem with the iPad and it requires to be updated or restored. So we're just going to press on this restore button, and this is going to remove all of the data on the iPad back to its factory settings. And this also means it will remove the password and the passcode as well, and then it will allow you access to your iPad. So if you're happy to do this, just go and press restore and update, and that's how to reset an iPad using your computer.